here we have this American Standard, which I haven't filmed in quite a while running. It turned on not too long ago. There's this other one that's off. I don't know if it's, I don't think it's been running. Yeah, I didn't see it turn on. Overgrown inside, that's cool. You know, I've never seen this thing run in heat mode, interestingly. Like, I've never seen this thing in heat mode. I've tried to go and get it, like, multiple times. I've been to Old Town multiple times this, like, last winter and other winters before that. It's never running. And if it is, it's not even frozen. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Over and out.